Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To start with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious and merciful, whose bounties are unbounded, and whose being is eternal, and whose worship is our faith. First, I would like to thank Islamic Student Federation for organizing such a beautiful event. Honorable judges, extremely respectable audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this house, the topic which is declared to me is the role of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq in the stability of the state of Medina. Respected audience, on the day when Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, migrated from Mecca to Medina, the foundation of the state of Medina was laid. In the stability of the state of Medina, the first caliph of Islam, the prince of the believers, and the best in the humans after the prophets, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, may Allah be pleased with him, played an important role with his efforts. Respected audience, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, may Allah be pleased with him, not only propagated beliefs in the hearts of the peoples, but also preached in different parts of the country. The remarkable feat done by Hazrat Siddiq Akbar radiallahu ta'ala anhu for the interest of faith is the temptation to crush the apostasy. The feat he has done to protect the government from external threats is that by deploying the forces to the borders, he created fear of internal stability of his state on enemies. Both these feats, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq has primacy and supremacy over other spaces. Respected audience, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq makes efforts so the famous people of Makkah converted to Islam. Apart from this, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, may Allah be pleased with him, bought and freed countless oppressed and helpless slaves. Yes, respected audience, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq played an important role in the stability of the state of Medina.